Your kidneys are quietly shutting down, right now, and you probably don't even feel it happening. Here's what scares me. Most seniors over 60 drink something every single morning, thinking it's healthy, when it's actually damaging their kidneys bit by bit. But listen, there are 5 simple drinks that can help flush the toxins out and support your kidneys naturally. Real drinks, easy to find, backed by research from the National Kidney Foundation. Stay with me, because what I'm about to share could change everything. 37 million Americans are living with kidney disease right now. The scary part? Most have no idea. Because kidney damage is invisible, your kidneys can lose up to 90% of their function before you even notice symptoms. No pain, no warning signs, just silent damage building up over years. And if you're over 60, your risk goes up dramatically. Age-related decline hits your kidneys hard. Add in blood pressure medications, diabetes, or just normal aging, and your kidneys are working overtime every single day. But here's the good news. Your morning routine can become daily protection. Not a cure, I'm not promising miracles here, but real support your kidneys actually need. I'm going to walk you through 5 drinks. Tea first, then 2 smoothies that doctors recommend. And yes, we'll cover the common ones you've heard about, but I'll show you what most people get wrong. Now let's begin. Drink number 1, green tea. Why am I starting here? Because this is the quiet protector your kidneys need. It works in the background while you're doing nothing else, just sipping. And it sets up your system for the day. Here's what makes it special. Green tea contains EGCG, a compound that fights inflammation deep inside your kidney tissue. Think of inflammation like rust on metal, eating away at your kidney filters. EGCG stops that process. Research shows green tea drinkers have a lower risk of chronic kidney disease, and it tackles kidney stones by reducing the oxalate crystals that form those painful stones in the first place. Your blood pressure? Green tea supports healthy levels. That matters because high blood pressure is one of the biggest reasons kidneys fail over time. And if you're carrying extra weight, which stresses every organ, including your kidneys, green tea helps with weight management. Less weight means your kidneys work easier. So how does it work inside your body? The anti-inflammatory action protects those delicate kidney filters from damage. Antioxidants neutralize harmful molecules before they cause problems. And it has a gentle diuretic effect, helping your kidneys flush waste naturally without overworking them. Now here's where most people mess up. Don't use boiling water. Why does water temperature matter? Because boiling destroys the beneficial compounds you're trying to get. Heat your water until it's hot, not bubbling. Steep for 2 to 3 minutes. That's it. 1 to 3 cups daily is enough. Skip the sugar completely. Sugar cancels out the kidney protection. Want flavor? Add a slice of lemon for extra antioxidants. Sensitive to caffeine? Get decaf green tea. You'll still get most benefits without the jitters. One important warning. Green tea contains vitamin K. If you're on blood thinners like warfarin, keep your intake consistent week to week. Sudden changes can affect your medication. And if you have a sensitive stomach, don't drink it on an empty stomach. You don't need anything fancy or expensive here. Just simple green tea. Easy, affordable, effective. Drink number 2. Blueberry protein smoothie. This is the muscle-protecting kidney defender. Why smoothies matter for seniors? Because they're easy to digest. Complete nutrition. Gentle on your system when solid food feels too heavy. But this specific combo does something remarkable. It protects your kidneys and prevents muscle loss at the same time. Here's why blueberries are a game changer. A half cup of blueberries contains only 57 milligrams of potassium. Compare that to a banana with 422 milligrams. A banana versus blueberries? One helps, one harms. For weak kidneys, that difference can be dangerous. Blueberries contain anthocyanins, compounds that shield kidney cells from oxidative damage. Research shows that a 2% blueberry diet improved kidney filtration rate in just 15 weeks. Real results. Real protection. Now the protein part. As your kidneys decline, your body starts losing muscle. It's called muscle wasting, and it happens faster than most seniors realize. Protein fights that process. Greek yogurt gives you what you need, plus probiotics for gut health. That gut-kidney connection matters more than people think. One simple smoothie protects two things at once. Here's the exact recipe from Davita, a trusted kidney care organization. 1 cup of frozen blueberries, 3 ounces of non-fat Greek yogurt, 6 ounces of water or ice. If you need extra protein, add 1 scoop of kidney-safe protein powder. The nutritional breakdown: 183 milligrams of potassium, 42 milligrams of phosphorus, 9 grams of protein. Why do these numbers matter? Because low potassium equals kidney safe. Your kidneys can handle this without stress. Blend until smooth. Drink it fresh. But here's the critical warning you need to hear. Avoid high potassium fruits in your smoothies. Bananas contain 422 milligrams. Mangoes and oranges are just as bad. They overload kidneys that are already struggling. Check your yogurt labels carefully. Look for the letters PHOS in the ingredients. That means phosphate additives, which damage kidneys faster than natural phosphorus. If you have stage 3 or 4 chronic kidney disease, limit your serving to 6 or 8 ounces. And if you're on dialysis, remember this counts toward your daily fluid limits. This smoothie is safe when you make it right. Drink number 3. Strawberry yogurt smoothie. This is the gut healer that saves your kidneys. Different from the blueberry smoothie we just talked about. That one targeted protein and antioxidants. This one targets your digestive system. And here's the connection most doctors don't tell you about. Your gut bacteria can poison your kidneys. It's called the gut-kidney axis. When harmful bacteria take over your digestive tract, they create something called uremic toxins. These toxins travel through your bloodstream, and when your kidneys can't filter them properly, they build up. They damage kidney tissue from the inside. But probiotics change everything. The beneficial bacteria in yogurt reduce these toxins by up to 30%. Specific strains do the heavy lifting. Lactobacillus acidophilus, L. rhamnosus. These are the ones backed by research. A 2024 systematic review confirmed it. Probiotics slow chronic kidney disease progression. Real science. Real results. Now add strawberries to the mix. Strawberries bring only 116 milligrams of potassium per half cup. Safe for kidneys. And they're loaded with vitamin C, which strengthens the blood vessels that supply your kidneys with oxygen and nutrients. One smoothie, 2 layers of protection. Here's the exact recipe from the Kidney Nutrition Institute. Half a cup of fresh or frozen strawberries. Half a cup of plain Greek yogurt, unsweetened. A 1/4 cup of unsweetened almond milk. And if you want a little flavor, add a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Why plain yogurt? Because flavored versions hide sugar and phosphorus. Both hurt your kidneys over time. The total? Around 250 milligrams of potassium. Safe. Balanced. Best consumed in the morning or early afternoon. Now for brands. Greek yogurt? Look for no phosphate additives on the label. If you prefer plant-based options, try Lava unsweetened coconut yogurt. Kidney dietitians approve it. Almond milk? Go with Silk unsweetened or Almond Breeze. Both have 75 to 150 milligrams of potassium per cup. Gentle on your system. This smoothie heals your gut while protecting your kidneys. Most people never make that connection. Now you have it. Drink number 4. Cranberry juice. Yes, you've heard about cranberry juice before. You probably even tried it at some point. But here's the thing. Most people are drinking it wrong, and it's hurting them, not helping them. Let me show you what the research actually says. Cranberry juice is a natural defense against urinary tract infections. And for seniors, that matters more than you might think. Because UTIs don't just stay in your bladder. They travel upward. They reach your kidneys. And they cause permanent damage if they're not stopped. Here's how cranberries work. They contain proanthocyanidins, or PACs for short. These compounds stop bacteria from sticking to your bladder walls. When bacteria can't stick, they get flushed out when you urinate. Simple and effective. Research backs this up. Regular cranberry consumption cuts UTI recurrence by 35%. That's huge for seniors dealing with catheters or frequent bladder infections. Cranberries are also low in potassium compared to other juices, safe for chronic kidney disease patients, and the vitamin C inside strengthens your immune system and repairs kidney tissue over time. But the cranberry juice in stores, it's mostly sugar water. Here's where people go wrong. Store-bought cranberry juice cocktail is loaded with sugar, 20 to 30 grams per cup, and it's only 10 to 30% actual cranberry. The rest? Filler, sweeteners, junk. That sugar damages the blood vessels feeding your kidneys. It spikes your blood sugar, which doubles the stress on kidneys already working overtime. So what's the right way? Get unsweetened pure cranberry juice. Then dilute it. 1 part juice to 3 parts water. The taste is strong, but that's real cranberry doing real work. You can also make it fresh. Boil cranberries for 10 to 15 minutes. Strain the liquid. Let it cool. Store it in the fridge. If you need sweetness, add a tiny drizzle of honey. Max 1 teaspoon. That's it. Drink 4 to 8 ounces daily. Not more. Now the critical warning. Cranberry juice interacts with warfarin, the blood thinner. It increases your bleeding risk. If you're on blood thinners, talk to your doctor before drinking this. And too much cranberry can cause kidney stones because of oxalates. Moderation is everything. You were on the right track. Now you know how to do it better. Drink number 5, plain water. I saved water for last because everyone thinks they already know this one. You've heard it your whole life. Drink more water. Stay hydrated. Simple. But there's a dangerous mistake 90% of seniors make with water, and it could be hurting you right now. Here's what you need to understand. Your kidneys are literally filters. Water is what they filter with. When you're dehydrated, toxins become concentrated. That forces your kidneys to work 3 times harder than they should. After 6 to 8 hours of sleep, you wake up mildly dehydrated. Morning water restarts your filtration system smoothly. It dilutes minerals before they crystallize into kidney stones. It keeps blood flowing easily to kidney tissue. Most simple, most effective, most overlooked. But here's where it gets serious. If you have kidney disease, more water isn't always better. This common advice could be hurting you. Damaged kidneys can't remove excess fluid efficiently. The result? Swelling, high blood pressure, heart strain. Stage 4 and 5 chronic kidney disease patients often have strict fluid limits, just 32 ounces daily. Every drink you take counts toward that limit. Your smoothies, your tea, everything. Warning signs to watch for: swelling in your ankles, shortness of breath, sudden weight gain. That's your body screaming that you're overdoing it. This is why the drink 8 glasses advice is wrong for kidney patients. So what's the right approach? For healthy seniors, 6 to 8 glasses is generally safe. That's 48 to 64 ounces. But for chronic kidney disease patients, follow your doctor's specific limit. No guessing. Sip throughout the day. Don't chug large amounts at once. Room temperature is gentler than ice cold. Your morning glass, 8 to 12 ounces to restart your system. That's enough. So there you have it. 5 drinks. Green tea fights inflammation. Blueberry smoothie protects your muscles and kidneys together. Strawberry smoothie heals your gut. Cranberry juice stops infections before they reach your kidneys. And water? It's your foundation. Small daily choices protect your kidneys over time. This isn't about perfection. It's about consistency. Now the reality check. Kidney damage happens slowly from daily habits most people ignore. These drinks won't reverse existing damage, but they may help slow progression and give your kidneys the support they need. Disclaimer. Everything I've shared today is based on published research and recommendations from kidney health organizations. But here's what matters most. Your kidneys are unique. Your health situation is unique. Work with your doctor or a registered dietitian to figure out what's safe for your specific kidney function. especially if you're managing chronic kidney disease or taking medications. You have the power to protect your kidneys. So here's my question. Which drink will you start with tomorrow morning? Comment below with your choice. And subscribe so you don't miss our next video about foods that secretly damage your kidneys. Watch that one next. Take care of yourself.